Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Get to Grips with Microsoft Word Beginners course. Before we dive in, be sure to subscribe to our channel, and let's get started. Our beginner course is your stepping stone into the world of Word. It's perfect if you're starting from scratch or just need a refresher on the basics. In this course, we'll cover a range of topics like understanding the user interface, dealing with Microsoft Word documents, writing and editing texts, working with media, and finally, printing and sharing your work with others. This course will help you get to grips with the basics of Microsoft Word, and we hope you will enjoy it. So, without further ado, let's get started. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, we will do an overview of Microsoft Word, so make sure to check our other videos and don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on social media. See you then.